This year's National Consumer Protection Week is being held March 3rd through March 9th. What we do is we try to educate consumers, make them aware of their rights and where they can turn to if they need assistance, for example, our agency filing a complaint, and just make them more knowledgeable and more educated so that they hopefully won't run into the situation where they have to file a complaint. We have quite a few workshops that are being held. One of them is hiring a home improvement contractor, particularly with the warmer weather coming up. People are going to be hiring contractors to do various home improvement projects, so we give various tips on what to look for when hiring a home improvement contractor. The Unclaimed Property event partners up with us to provide consumers with information on whether they may have any outstanding refunds owed to them. For various reasons. Consumers come to us and we can look up their name and tell them whether they're entitled to any sort of refunds. You will need to register for these workshops in order to attend them. The best way to do that is to go to our website at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/consumer, and that'll lead you to an area where you can go ahead and register your name to attend one of these workshops that we're offering during this week.